Hi, welcome to Renee Holden Marketing, where we discuss lead generation, marketing strategies to help your small business grow. I'm Renee, I'm a marketing specialist, and today we're talking about how to create a landing page in Canva. So there are many different ways to create landing pages, but if you don't have like an email service that offers it or an easy website builder that offers landing pages, you can just create your landing page in Canva. Canva is free. If you want to pay for the pro version, I think it's about $15 a month. But today I'm going to walk you through how to create an easy landing page in Canva. You can upload all your own images. So I'm excited to get started. This is a really great free tool. So let's check it out. Okay, so today we're talking about how to create a landing page in Canva, and I've already created one just to show you, but we're gonna walk through another landing page together. So you can see here, this is my landing page I've created. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this would be maybe like a landing page I would use for my freelance services. So I've got my information, where to find me, an image of myself, really clear statement of what I do, lead generation marketing, who's it for, small business owners. We have a couple of bullets highlighting the main benefits of this product or service. I'm using a lot of verbs, so you notice generate, automate, grow. So using kind of action-oriented language is a really great way to get people to take action. And then we have our call to action buttons down here. So we have a main call to action and this transitional call to action, and I'll explain more what that means later in the video. So let's get started. We also, I forgot to mention, have this other section down here. So in Canva, you can make your landing pages, longer or shorter. I have 2 different blocks on mine. So let's go ahead and create our own landing page in Canva. So the first thing you want to do, go to canva.com, create a login information, and you're just going to go to the search button and type in website. All right, you can see we have all of these really great templates. Let's just, the ones with the crown are the pro version, so I actually pay for the pro version of Canva, but there are still so many great options if you just have like a regular version of Canva. So let's start with adding in some imagery. So they have this imagery. This is for fashion stylists for babies and kids, but you want to have a person in your photo if possible. Ideally you want yourself to be in the photo if possible. Let's get some photos. So we're gonna keep this super simple today. We are just saying what we do and who we do it for. If you have your brand font and color, you already know what those are. You really wanna include those as well. So what we have so far, we have our headline. Super important. That's the first thing people see. The headline and the imagery are going to be the first thing people see when they click on your landing page. Let's go ahead and add a smaller text box. And in this text box, we'll add some copy. What should your copy say? You really want your copy to be super short and to just really be, again, about benefits that you're offering. Now we have some copy, and then let's add some elements. So I had like a check mark by here, but you could also use an arrow or whatever you want to do. So definitely try to, add some creativity in with your landing pages. The point of the landing page is to address, what the benefits of your product or services, but it's also to give people options to learn more about you if they're interested. Next, let's work on this call to action. So you also want to have a call to action on your landing page, of course. So this red box kind of makes it stick out a little bit more. That's going to be really important for people to see it. Here are the main elements. We have our brand colors, we have our company name and social media, clearly stated what we do, our lead generation and who we do it for, small benefits or small businesses. We have all of the benefits here as well, so all of the value that we're going to be offering our customers. And then we have a call to action here that's really easy to find. Something that you might want to also add is a transitional call to action. So transitional call to actions basically are another option for people who aren't ready to do your main call to action yet. So actually, what does this look like centered? No. So instead of get started, there are going to be some people who are ready to get started, but probably some who are not ready to get started. So you want to be able to cater to people in different parts of your sales funnel, and the transitional call to action is a good way to do that. So instead of get started, let's do learn more. Perfect. When you're all done, you want to click publish as website. I really just do the free domain, and then Canva's going to create a URL that you can attach to anywhere. You can attach it to your ads, your website, your email links, your social media posts, anywhere that you need to ensure people are understanding your value proposition right away. And the more specific you can get your landing page to your target audience, the more likely you'll get people clicking through. So if you're interested in learning more about lead generation, I would love to hear the specific topics you like to hear about in the comments below. If you have a lead generation problem or strategy or tool you'd like me to discuss, please comment that down below, and I would love to address comments like that. All right, other than that, have a good day. Bye.